Hello traders, welcome to Simple Trading Style, and today we are going to talk about daily and weekly crypto market update. And we will figure out, is it still bull or bear market trend, what's going on with the crypto world on a daily, weekly time frame. Please subscribe for this YouTube channel, click like button to support this channel. I really appreciate all the efforts. And as usually, let's move to five rules of risk management. Please follow it, please read it. Please use it every single trade and you will be successful. Let's move to trading view. Let's start from crypto heat map, weekly performance. Now looks like the large caps. It's based on the caps, on the market cap. Yeah, you see a lot of red, Fuel, just Tron, XRP, just few of them green, but a lot of blood, right? A lot of red color. Let's see daily what's going on. Daily it's different. Daily it's a lot of gray. It's a flat and green. It's more positive than weekly. Let's see. Now let's move to my watch list and we will do technical review, and we will figure out what's going on. Before start, if you want to learn more about TradingView setup, just go to the description. There is the link about TradingView setup training and other links about all my trainings. Let me briefly mention about my setup. I'm using moving averages, white line SMA 200, yellow line EMA 20, red line SMA 10, and green line SMA 5. Buy and sell script indicator. Also, MACD indicator, RSI indicator yellow line, and Heikanaichi bars indicator. That's all. Very simple. Let's start. Let me briefly mention how it works, right? When bars above MA5, it is bullish trend. When bars below MA5, it is bearish trend. Let me show you on daily time frame, because I'm using daily time frame for my swing trading, for entry and exit position. That's why I prefer to show you daily time frame. Weekly time frame, I do monitor it, but I don't trade on the weekly time frame. It's more for investors. You see green line, and bars were below. Before they were below MA5, 10 and 20, it was bearish trend. When MA5 bars moved above MA5, 10 and 20, and MA5 did bullish crossover over 10, it was bull signal for me. It was entry signal for me, right? I did enter here, and I did put stop 1 bar before as my protection in case if market will go opposite direction of my expected direction. I could lose only 1 bar, but at the same time, I had opportunity to gain multiple bars until MA5 did bearish crossover. That's how it works. When bars moved below MA5, it changed from bullish trend to bearish reversal. And let's start Bitcoin. Bitcoin daily time frame. You see for the last 6 days, bars below MA5, 10 and 20, it is bearish, confirmed bearish reversal. Because when bars move below MA5, it's already bearish reversal signal, but when it's below 20, it's confirmed bearish reversal. All indicators in the bearish reversal trend on daily time frame for Bitcoin. Let's see 4 hours time frame what's going on. 4 hours time frame, it's flat and below MA20. MA20 did bearish crossover. Now it's all moving averages below 200. It is bearish territory, right? Bearish territory, 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame, it was positive recently. And 3 hours ago, we just did bearish crossover. MA5 did bearish crossover. And the last bar at MA20. And let's see weekly, right? That's the goal of the today video, because we are all, today is Sunday. It's the end of the week. Let's see what's going on with the weekly, right? Weekly time frame. And it's very weird, right? Bitcoin did nice jump Uh, 5 weeks ago, it was very nice, very powerful jump on weekly time frame, and for last 4 weeks, it just flat price action. It's even moving down. It's moving down like this week. It's moving down. It's negative, right? Because previous weeks it was kind of, at least it did make a new recent high every week, and this week it was kind of red and it moved below MA5. It was disconnected from MA5, 10 and 20. Now it's still disconnected from MA10 and 20. The only positive thing that you see, MA20 yellow line, it did bullish crossover over 200. It is very powerful bullish signal. That's the positive. But we'll see. We'll see. Will it be able to hold price action and not let it go down? Also possible. For me, it's kind of strong support. MA20, it is very strong support when it did bullish crossover over 200. That's what we have. Signals, all indicators kind of positive, and it is still positive because last bar still above all moving averages. It is in a positive bullish territory on weekly time frame, right? On daily it is below 20, it is negative, but on weekly it is still positive for Bitcoin. Now let's move to Ethereum. Ethereum weekly time frame. Also, you see MA5 green line did bullish crossover over 10, and last bar still above all moving averages. It is positive territory. Even MACD red bearish, Fibonacci RSI positive, but price action is not in a good price action. It's still in a positive territory, right? Even it is red, it's red wick, red bar, but still above 10 and 20. Still above 10 and 20. It is positive territory. Like I told you already, when bars move below 20, it is already very bearish. But so far, it's about 10 and 20 on weekly for Ethereum. Let's see daily what's going on, right? Daily, it's like Bitcoin. Daily, it is bearish. On weekly, it is still bullish. On daily, it's already bearish. MA5 and bars did bearish crossover over 20. Even 10 ready to do bearish crossover over 20. Sell signal, all indicators bearish. On daily time frame, it is in a bearish reversal trend. 4 hours time frame, very bearish because MA20, 10 and 5 did bearish crossover over 200. Now all moving averages moved below 200. It is bearish territory, bearish, very negative trend on 4 hours time frame, and 1 hour time frame. It is below 20, right? We know it's when bars below all moving averages, it is bearish trend. Let's move to Bitcoin Cash. Let's start weekly also. Let's start from the top. Weekly, 4 weeks, like 6 weeks ago, right? 5 weeks ago, it was nice bull 2 weeks. 2 powerful weeks in the history of the Bitcoin Cash. And it did touch 200. It did touch 200. It was very oversold 6 weeks ago. Suddenly 2 weeks very powerful run. And after that, like 3 weeks in a row, it just, what it was rejected from 200. It did connection back to MA5. It was that bull run. It did completely disconnected from MA5, 10 and 20. And now finally, after 3 weeks, after 5 weeks, it is connected now back to MA5. Still disconnected from 10 and 20. It will connect to MA5 and to MA10 and 20 also. It takes time. It will connect. It's trying to connect to all moving averages. That's what is the trend. On weekly time frame, it is still kind of positive because it's still above all moving averages. Still above all moving averages, all indicators still positive. It was very overbought on RSI, and now it is in the correction mode. As of today, it's plus 3%, right? Sunday, July 23rd, plus 3%. Ethereum plus 0.5%. Bitcoin kind of flat plus 0.25%. Bitcoin Cash, yeah, weekly it is still bullish, still positive, very disconnected from 20. Daily time frame, it is same like Bitcoin and Ethereum, right? MA5 and 10 did bearish crossover over 20 and bars moved below 20. It is negative bearish reversal signal. Bearish reversal signal, all indicators. You see trend is downtrend, right? Trend is down. 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame, it's more positive because MA5, 10 and 20 bars, they touched 200 and they bounce from the 200. 200 was strong support for them. 5 days it did dance around MA200 and it did bounce yesterday from 200. We'll see. Will it be able to handle that bounce or it will do bearish crossover? Looks like MA5 and 10 and 20 are ready to do bearish crossover over 200 and they will bring bars and price below 200. We'll see. On 4 hours time frame, it's in the fight mode. It's breaking out. It's trying to do bearish crossover. 1 hour time frame, it was very powerful bullish for last couple days, right? And last 3 hours it did sell off everything and now it's at the May 200. We'll see. Will it bring it bars below 200 again? Absolutely possible that it will bring bars below 200. You see it's a sell signal and May 20 below 200. Now let's move to Ethereum Classic. Let's start Ethereum Classic. Let's start from weekly time frame. Ethereum Classic, very negative, right? On weekly time frame, not like others, because like Bitcoin, Ethereum, they are bullish. They're above MA20 and above MA200. Let me show you. You see this one? It's about 20. It's still below 200, but about 20. But Ethereum, it's above all moving averages, right? Bitcoin, it's above all moving averages. It's very powerful. But Bitcoin Cash below 200, but still above 20. Ethereum Classic, it is below 200 and below 20. MA5 did buy signal and MA5 did bullish crossover over 10. It is positive bullish crossover, but still below MA20. All indicators positive bullish. It's trying to do bullish positive run, but remember it's still in the very bearish negative territory. Very bearish negative territory. You see this bar, it did move about, it touched 200 and was rejected on weekly time frame. Yeah, signal is positive, but territory of the location of the bars and moving averages negative below 200. Let's move to daily. Daily, it's the same story. You see, remember I told you it was very strong fight for several days, even couple weeks between MA20 and 200. Buyers and sellers, they were fighting between the two lines. And finally, it did move below 20. Why? I told you my prediction was it will move below 20 because when MA5 and 10 and 20 already below 200, it is already bearish territory. It's more weakness. It's still more weakness because all moving averages below 200. It is negative territory. Negative territory. It's not over yet. Bars already below 200 and below all moving averages. It is negative, but everything can happen. Like here we see it was also in the negative territory and suddenly it did move. It did have bull run. It was bull trap. This one, it was bull trap, right? Now it's a bearish trend on daily time frame. Let's see 4 hours. 4 hours, it's very bearish, similar like other cryptos. MA5, 10 and 20 did bearish crossover over 200 and bars move below 200. Bearish crossover, bearish territory. 1 hour time frame, it was kind of, yeah, also everything in the bearish territory below 200 was bullish crossover, bullish signal on all indicators, but last 3 hours it did sell off and it did correction, it did move below all moving averages. Now let's move to ADA Cardano. Let's start ADA Cardano weekly. Let's start ADA Cardano weekly. Similar story, MA5 and 10 below 20, right? And bars, now bars below 20. It is bearish territory because all bars below, last bar below MA10 and 20. Even we have buy signal from the script. But like I always told you, when bars below 20, it is still bearish. When bars above 20, it is bullish. It is above MA5. But MA5 didn't make bullish crossover yet over 10. When MA5 does bullish crossover over 10, it is just bullish reversal signal. For full confirmation, we need to bring bars and MA5 and 10 above 20 to have full bullish reversal confirmation. So far, it's not confirmed yet. Even some indicators have green line. On weekly time frame for ADA, it is still bearish in the negative territory, right? Very bearish. Wow. Very bearish on weekly time frame. Let's move to daily. Daily also kind of, yeah, it also in the negative territory, right? Because MA5 and 10 and 20 below 200. It was similar like other, like Bitcoin Cash. It was strong buy signal, it did touch MA200 and it was bearish reversal next day. Strong bearish reversal, it did sell off, and finally MA5 did bearish crossover over 10. Still bars about 20, it is still kind of positive signal because bars, this 20 is still strong support. You see, each time it touched 20, it did bounce. Touch 20, bounce. Touch, bounce. We'll see, will MA20 be able to handle that support, or will it bounce like you see here? It was at the support for the several days and finally did bounce. We'll see what will happen now. All indicators already switched to bearish reversal. But generally, the all moving averages below 200, it is negative territory. 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame is very positive because last 4 bars, they were above 20. It is very positive. MA5 and 10 still below 20, but very positive signal on 4 hours time frame. 1 hour time frame, it was positive, it was bullish, and last 4 hours MA5 did bearish crossover over 10, and still bars, MA20 still hold the price action at MA20 level, but MA20 below 200, it is negative territory. And all indicators already in the bearish reversal signal. Okay, now let's move to Binance. Let's see Binance. Binance weekly time frame. Very interesting situation, right? Weekly time frame, you see for the last 7 weeks, MA200 holds the price action. It's a strong support level for last 7 weeks. Last 7 weeks, very powerful. Was strong, very strong, powerful sell-off. And now it is a resistant level. You see the strong resistant level, it's called, and MA200 is a strong support, not resistance, sorry, strong support level. All indicators still bearish, and still, yeah, bars, MA5 still below all moving averages, still bearish, still bearish trend, but price action at the support MA 200 support level on weekly time frame. Let's move to daily. Daily, it is kind of flat, right? All moving averages below 200. It is very weak, very negative, bearish territory. Even it is flat for several, like for 6 weeks, right? For 7 weeks, but it is still in the bearish territory. And all indicators bearish and last bar below all moving averages. 4 hours time frame, also very weak because all bars, last bar below MA 200 and below MA 10 and 20, it's kind of narrow state, right? All moving averages next to 200. Usually from this state it goes up or down. It came from the top, it came to MA 200. We'll see. Will MA 200 hold it and it will be bounced from it to go bullish, or it will continue to go and do bearish trend. So far it is weak, it is in the bearish crossover, bearish reversal signal. MA5 did bearish crossover over 200. So far it's a bearish trend. 1 hour time frame, it was positive, it was bullish. Still it's dancing around MA20, but all moving averages below 200, and 200 is downtrend, right? It is bearish trend. Even for last several hours it was kind of in the positive mode. In the positive mode on 1 hour time frame. That's all. Let's do summary. All crypto on weekly time frame, it's still kind of strong and positive, and is trying to hold the price action and trend, and positive bullish trend on weekly time frame. That's what we observed. But on the daily time frame, they already switched to bearish trend. Already switched on daily. On 4 hours time frame, they already all cryptos from my watch list, they already switched to bearish reversal trend. Let's check just monthly. Month is not over yet, right? Even monthly, look at it. Bitcoin, it is above MA20. It is positive. MA5 did bullish crossover. Very positive, very nice for last 5 months, right? 5 months it's above MA20. It's very positive. I like it. All indicators green, positive. Let's check Ethereum. I know month is not over, still 1 more week to go. Ethereum also, it's above MA20, very positive, nice position. And Bitcoin Cash also last bar above MA20, positive position on monthly time frame. Ethereum Classic monthly, it is negative, it is below 20, right? It is in bearish territory. And other Cardano on monthly time frame, no data, it is bearish, right? And Binance on monthly time frame, it is below all moving averages, also weak and bearish. ADA and Binance very weak. On the Bitcoin and Ethereum, the strongest cryptos, and Bitcoin Cash also, right, is trying to recover from the oversold, but on monthly and weekly it's about 20. That's what we have. Very interesting situation. It's still fight between bull and bears. It's not confirmed yet. Still fight on the larger time frame, but on short time frame it's already in bearish reversal trend. Let's move to disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. This video for educational informational purposes only. And remember, for educational purpose, we are using paper trading simulator as long as we need to get consistently profitable. Not consistently. Consistently, it means profitable for at least 6 months. Please read it and follow it. Thank you for watching simple trading style video. I do publish daily, weekly, monthly updates for cryptos. Also, I do publish for daily and weekly and monthly updates for stocks, ETFs, indexes. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel, click like button to support this channel. I really appreciate all your efforts. Thank you so much and good luck, traders. Bye.